Now, let's talk about the optical storage. We have different types of optical storage. The first one is read-only. Let's start with the advantages. Number one, data can be read. Number two, data cannot be changed. So, for example, when you buy a movie CD, you can watch the movie, but you cannot edit or delete the movie from the CD. Now, let's talk about the second type of optical storage, which is write once. Let's look at the advantages. Number one, write data in CD. So here you can write data. Number two, data cannot be cleared off the CD in order to write new data. So, for example, when you buy a new CD, you can write the data that you want on it. However, you can no longer edit or delete it. If you want to write new data, you have to buy a new CD. Now, let's talk about the third type of optical storage, which is rewritable. First of all, the rewritable has a melted surface. The melted surface allows us to rewrite data on the CD or the DVD. So, it has an advantage that data can be erased in order to put new data. And this is all due to the melted surface. When the surface melts, we can write new data. An example of the rewritable optical storage is CD-RW, which is rewritable. We also have DVD-RW and Blu-ray RW. Now we finished the backing storage devices and media part.